Why are you a liar?
You are a liar.
Why are you always obstructing me?
You are a liar.
Why? Are you a better star?
You are a liar.
No, are you a better star?
At least I've collected a
What's
award.
your word?
What have you got?
Award.
At least I've
collect award.
You are lying, madam. Increase your salary.
Is it by the award?
Madam, did you increase
Is it
your
by
salary?
Grammys? Is it by Grammys? Rubbish.
Come on for here.
Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office.
Another one.
Welcome to the office.
Madam, no too much.
Nini, this is a child of a monster.
You guys are messing with me, right? There's no way you skipped it to a conversation that hasn't even happened.
What the hell is wrong with Becky? She didn't tell me about it because she knows I will definitely tell her the honest truth. Hey guy, are you okay? You're meant to be her friend. She's vulnerable at this point. You give her good advice. Yes, she terminates that thing and move on with her life. That is going to help her stay with the man. Story. Please, Sha. What do I have to say? I'm not going to say anything. Besides, Becky didn't come to me with it, so I don't care. And I'm not going to advise her. I'm not going to worry about her. Yeah, sure. Bye, I have to get back to work. Love you, bye.
Oh, Becky's pregnant.
Can you imagine? I feel like I should just call her and tell her my mind. Because this girl is messing with herself.
Well, I think it's none of your business. Just stay out of it. If she wanted you in it, she could have called you herself. What sense are you even talking about?
She should terminate the baby, get rid of it, and then move on with her life before it's too late for her.
No, that was not how I expected this to play out. I know my sister can be tough, but I didn't expect her to sound so insensitive. Well, I'll give her the benefit of the doubt. Let's say she's saying this because she feels so much for her friend and cannot bear the thought of a man hurting her any further. Should I step in and make her see Becky's possible point of view? Let's try that and see how it pans out. Getting out of the relationship makes sense. That's a good idea. But terminating the pregnancy is a tricky one. How can you even coldly suggest that?
Nini, this is a child of a monster. And they're not even married yet. There's nothing binding them together and he's hitting her and being toxic. Then imagine she now gives birth. She becomes his baby mama, becomes his wife. What do you think would happen? You saw the case with Fred and his baby mama the other time. Now the difference is that it's going to be reversed and she'll be taking all the hits. Do you advise that?
No, I see a sense in what you're saying, but have you considered what Becky could actually be feeling right now? I know you're trying to be rational, right? But there has to be a balance. What if she wants to carry her baby? Her own flesh and blood, regardless of who the father is? Or what if she's afraid of going through such a delicate process? TNC is not it. Her life could be on the line. You know that, right? What if she's worried about stigma if she got found out? What people will say? What if she'll be burdened by the guilt of not giving the baby a chance at life? What if she thinks that abortion is murder?
Nini, abortion is not murder. Well, if the fetus is fully grown or she's giving birth to the child and then kills it, now that's murder. But when it's still a blood, I don't think so.
Well, science could disagree with you there.
Oh, please.
As long as the fertilization process is complete, you have a living organism living in there. So, well, it's up to you to decide whether or not flushing out a living organism is right or wrong.
Whether if it is murder or not, I don't care. What I'm trying to say is, sometimes to make the wrong decision, you have to make the right decision. Get what I'm saying? You get it? Yeah.
You're not a serious person. See, right is right, wrong is wrong. Your emotions do not dictate right or wrong. Alright?
So she should die in the relationship then?
It's not for me to say. It's her decision. Let's mind our business. Okay?
Alright. Someone calling her.
You would think that Ray and I should have the same perspective on such critical matters because we were raised under the same roof, right? Who do you think is being unreasonable? Me? Well, I like to introspect, and question my beliefs from time to time. So if you think that I am wrong, please let me know your take on it and support it with a superior argument. I mean, that's the way we can all grow and become better persons, isn't it? So yeah, let me know your take on this. While I believe that no child deserves to come into a world of chaos, I also think that abortion should not be the first thinkable choice in such situation. Should we consider Becky's fears, or should I say emotions? Should we coldly suggest to a woman in such delicate psychological state to damn her emotions and just get rid of her baby? Anyway, Yusuf, if you're not ready to parent a child, hold body now. Brown, Menini, because I'm preaching abstinence. It's shocky, Abby. You know if it's hold body, I beg, come on, John.
You've not come to disturb me today. By now, you're supposed to have disturbed me like 10 times. Even Fred, your office bestie, I've not said anything to him. You're just here by yourself. Are you sure you're feeling alright?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Ah. Oh boy. What's in the happen now? What's in the worry? I just have some things that I'm dealing with at the moment, but you guys don't have to worry. I'll be fine. No, tell me, make I no worry. Now you are ask question. This one way they behave like woman. I ask you question, you go answer me. Which one be say make I no worry? What thing they worry you?
If they really do like woman do, they do like person wey dey menstruate. Wow.
Menstruate? Me, I no talk that one with you. I just dey ask my guy wetin dey worry am. Ha. So you really do care about me?
Excuse me? Me care about me? You must be dreaming.
No, seriously, I've been thinking and I've been wondering, I've been looking at you. It must have been so hard for you this period that I wasn't at work, right? You couldn't bear it, you couldn't stand it, you nearly killed yourself because you miss me so much.
Ouch. I mean, miss you because you are who? You're not even my spec. You don't worth it. You're nothing. So sorry.
No, calm down and admit it.
Well, not to like to dey fight every time.
No, tell her to admit it.
Who will they talk about?
No, calm down and admit it. Tell me the truth that I'm the man of your dreams, that without me you'll be in shambles.
Oh my God, you're not even close to the man of my dreams. You're not rich. You don't even breathe near where man of my dreams they breathe.
Right.
If I know self, I for even mind my business.
Is that what you tell yourself to sleep well at night?
Oh please, I beg. It's just
Why una too like to dey fight? If peace reign for once now, wetin go happen? Well, why you dey wait make small madam comot before you go see big madam? Well, like say you don't want to go beg her for money again now, or you want make she give you something, maybe you don't commit offense again.
Obviously, I know Sona no rates me, but the news and the gist will go see for this office.
I don't understand now for this office again.
I'm gonna make you go sit down. No be person where they see and they read.
But Beatrice, you stop this fight where you always do.
Which fight are they always in
Now,
fight?
you don't see him now, you don't start again. I beg. Bye.
No, which fight are they
Bye,
fight? No, now let me breathe, I beg. Not be by force to like somebody. And the person they crush on me, I no one crush on her. I know I'm a speck and more. I'm golden. My skin is diamond. Peace. Let me breathe. Man of my dreams. Not even reach your logo.
Come in. Come in. Martin, why are you knocking like you don't know our open door policy here?
Madam, we don't go.
Yeah.
But I hope you're fine.
That's a very fine. Is there a problem?
No, it can never be a problem. God will not let us see a problem. Ma.
No.
Yes, ma. Madam, are you sure you're fine? Everything is okay with you, ma? Madam, you are fine, ma. I came, I just want to know if you are fine.
Are you wishing me?
No, never, ma.
I said I'm fine.
Okay, I'm happy you are fine. And God will continue to bless you for the good things you are doing for us. God will continue to bless you. Goodness will never be far from you, ma.
Martin, what do you want?
No, I just want to check up on you. Thank you, ma.
Okay. I go now.
I want to tell you something else, ma. Not different from what I just talked about, ma. I really want to tell you about it.
Martin,
Ma?
please sit down and talk to me. What do you want?
Damn, you have been very, very good to us in this company.
Goodness. Martin, talk now. What do you want? I'm busy.
Sorry, ma. Madam, no, honestly, I know you have been very good, and sometimes there are some things that to be as if if I say it now, it will be as if I'm ungrateful, but I'm very grateful for everything you have been doing for us, ma. Just want to say, if there's a little possibility, madam, it's not easy. It's not easy for me, madam. Everything is hard. I just want to know if you can just put small thing on top of my salary, madam. I'll be very, very glad. I swear, it's not easy for me. I've been managing and padding it like this. Small, madam. I'll be very, very glad if you can just put small salary and add it to my salary. I'll be glad. Madam, forgive me if I ask too much. I just want it. I swear to God, I want.
Martin, if you want to earn more, you just earn more commission.
Madam, the commission no easy like that now. No easy. As the economy there, but you know I'm trying my best, mama. I'm trying, madam, I beg. Just small, I beg. No easy. The person will go back to village.
Actually, you have a point. With the state of the economy, I've been considering increasing everybody's salary, but it's not something I can do right now.
Madam, please no. Look at me, I've been loyal to you. I don't think go anywhere, go work if I don't work for you. If I come this work, if I look you, I just they happy, just they see your face and they happy. The way you they do for us, the way you they make me and our colleague they feel, madam, no other person feel me. Not be say they like no person feel make us feel like that. You are a very good woman and God will bless you.
I hear you. Thank you. But you do me a favor if I do anything for you. You cannot tell the people downstairs.
I don't even like them. I don't go tell them anything. I don't like them at all. Okay,
Even Fred.
I like my smell.
Or no tell them. Don't tell anybody. Yeah. When I can, I'll increase everybody's salary, but I'll see what I can do for you. Because you deserve it. But you have to work hard though. You have to prove yourself.
From today, madam, just to watch my character. I'm not going to go out. If I don't need to close, I'll go. Thank you, ma.
Martin.
Thank you, ma. Madam, you're fine, ma. I swear to God, you just did very good. Thank you, ma. Don't be the only thing will make me come, but I have to say you did fine. Thank you, ma. Yes, sir.
Normal me now like this. If you say a day has.
No be say my shoulder raise, oh, I don't say I know. No be say my shoulder raise, oh, I don't say I know be jealous. No be say my shoulder raise, I don't say I know be jealous.
Okay, Mato. This one where you just they go up, they enter Madam office, they come down, they go up, they come down. Tell us now which plan I don't arrange for us like this now.
See, tell me something. Whatever plan that you have, I will go upstairs and tell Madam. Yes.
Wait. So you think that if you go upstairs now and tell Madam, what exactly will be that thing that you will tell Madam that I did?
I don't know, and I don't care to know. Just know that whenever evil plans you have, I will go upstairs and tell Madam and exempt me from it.
That's
evil doer.
If na evil plan you get, I deal with Beatrice for this one.
Yes.
Na me and Beatrice go dey together. I no deal with you for evil plan. You understand me?
Judas Iscariot. So even you, my guy, go behind me now to betray me right now.
Betray you?
No problem. You don't get anything I want to talk with you. No problem. The only thing that I know is that I came here bringing good news to share it with you people. But since you people do not like good news, I mean, good news is a bitter thing in your mouth. I will swallow it and keep it to myself. Thank you very much.
Don't do now. If that's it, if na good news you carry come, tell us now. And they like good news well. Tell me. You know, say as me and you dey now, we be one. You be my, how they sing, ride or die, bad boys for life, together forever, under the weather, together in Bagada.
Who be your bad boy for life?
Yeah.
No, tell me who be your bad for life.
Okay.
After this snake move where you move, say the only thing what they see about you now.
Oh, but sorry. Tell me, if now something we could bring better game, I dey game.
Sure?
I dey game.
You sure?
I dey game.
See this our home. I want to sell and carry the money.
Say you.
Hey!
That's how rich company
You see
carry
how
the money around.
Talk now.
Wait till we talk money that one. We just dey talk. Something we just dey talk. The funny talk say, as in the year like this now. So you get one game we dey play. This game make us be better real estate personnel. We just dey play the game on phone. We sell property, they collect property, carry money run, something like. You don't get it. It's a game that you will like. If I show you my phone, you will like it.
Yeah, I've heard of it on social media and all. But is that what you're meant to be doing like this now? Is that what you came to work to do? Jesus.
I'm sorry.
And then you are in charge of duty post.
I take my duty post.
Okay, get back there also.
See, God don't save you. Welcome, madam.
Thank you.
Yes, madam, please have your seat. Have your seat.
Welcome, ma'am.
Welcome.
Welcome back.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, and you? Hope you're fine.
I like the atmosphere here. You people seem really nice.
Thank you very much. Our utmost priority is to make sure that we satisfy you to the best, ma.
Yeah.
Okay. I like it. Keep it up.
Thank you very much, ma. So, back to business now, please. How may we be of help to you, ma?
Okay, so I am in search of a landed property for my younger brother overseas. I have
Usually like this.
Okay,
Thank
it's
you,
nice. I have been making my research, and you came really handy.
Oh, sorry.
Freddie!
Please bring water for my clients.
Please, water.
Thank you, ma. Please. Water, be fast!
Sorry, ma'am. Easy peasy. Sorry.
Thank you.
I hope you are hydrated,
I'm
please.
fine.
See,
You're
if you
really
need
nice.
another maybe like 5 hours or 3 hours, we have all the time. The most important thing is you being fine. You need to stay hydrated. Are you fine?
I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank Almighty Lord. Thank you, ma. So you're okay now?
I'm good.
And you're sure?
I'm fine.
Perfect. Since you're sure now, we can go back to business. Thank you, ma. So actually, ma, we have a form that you would have to fill. This form, when you fill the form, you're going to fill with different information that has to be with your name, your residential address, the reason why you're visiting our company, and all of that. It's very important. This is the one for you, ma.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma.
Oh, I don't have a pen. Please, can I use yours?
Nonsense! We have a pen.
Okay.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Sure.
Okay. So, here is the form on my ID card.
Sure. Thank you, ma. You're Miss Patrick, right?
Yes, I am.
Oh, sure.
Very correct.
So, you're getting this for your younger brother?
Exactly.
Oh, nice. You're a very, very nice person, madam.
Thank you.
People like you are rare in this country. Thank you. So, in between, I'll direct you to somebody else right now that will take good care of you, because the most important thing we like is for you to be satisfied.
Yes,
Thank you very much. Remember, we are Fortizo, the best in the country. Fred!
Freddie!
You have to take this beautiful woman
Yeah.
to Ray's office.
Yeah.
We'll finalize with her. I'll take her to the boss. Thank you. This week.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
We love you. Hey, Chris. Did they do you?
Mato, tell us now, what's with the good news?
Well, I just went into Madam's office, and the next thing Madam has to say is that due to the fact that I'm the best hard-working staff we have here, and she feels like increasing my salary. I'm like, what? Why? Humble me. You're like, I was not even thinking about it, but I know I deserve it. Then she said, okay, no problem. I said, oh, very soon like that. And she said, yes, she's going to increase my salary. I was happy, so I want to bring that news to tell you people that since you people are part of our staffs, you people should also know that you need to increase your salary. But don't go through that I want. Maybe like 2 weeks later, you might not be ripe for increment. So wait your own time till you get to your time. So you get. So no problem. It's turn by turn.
I'm supposed to increase my own too.
So we cannot get salary raises.
No, not now. You are not ripe yet. When you get to that point, we will do it for you.
You are a bloody liar. That's who you are. I will go to Madam's officer and ask her the
Were
question.
you there?
I wasn't there.
Don't tell me what is your
I am not paid.
What is your pay?
It's because you are a liar. You are a liar.
Who is a liar? Who is a liar? I want you.
Lie.
I want you. See,
You are a liar.
No, are you a better staff?
At least I've collected a
Who's the one?
What have you
Then
done?
award.
At least
Then
I've
collect award.
Madam, increase your salary.
Is it by the award?
Madam, you didn't increase
Is it
your
by
salary.
Grammy? Is it by Grammy?
Sis, guess what? Do you know that Martin is downstairs attending to a client happily, professionally? I'm impressed, man.
Don't mind him, Jerry. I promise him I will increase his salary if he improves.
No wonder! Because this is unlike Martin's. I was not wondering maybe it's because I was there, but even at that, Martin never does his job happily.
Wait,
But I know you are a liar.
is that not school for masters?
Sisters, let's listen to what you're saying so that if we're going down, do not be able to lie to us. Martin, do not. Just when we're praising him, sorry.
Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Have fun now. Welcome to the office.
Another one. Madam, make a rap for this song. I beg, make a rap for this song. I beg now, please. I beg. Let me rap, please. Well, nice. Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come. Everybody come. Wahala, no too much.
Stand by. Rolling.
Episode 6 Master Shot, take 1.
Silence! Action!
If you do anything like this now, I'm not going to sleep.
They don't do my left foot, they're too small. They don't do my left foot, they're too small. Hey. Don't be saying I'm in their place, no. My shoulder just high, my shoulder just big. You know,
this is when you dance, come down from Madame Office, they dance like this. Eh? Just the go. Which plan you get like this now?
So let me tell you guys, whatever plan that you have, exempt me from it. Because I don't want to be part of the process, okay?
Fine now. Eh? Okay, Martins. You know what? Tell us the plan when you carry it go like this. Tell us now, what you know.
I have said my own. I will go upstairs and tell Madam the plans that you guys are having. And please, remove me from the plan.
Don't worry.
And I know that the plans that you have, they are all evils. Because this one that I get, you are evil doer. And I will report you to Madam.
Martins,
yes.
don't worry. Put me for your plan. Man.
So when you carry yourself and go like this now, you want to be that thing like you, Madam.
Oh, producer. Oh, fine shot now, one spoiler.
It's not quiet, just
Can we pass now?
Okay.
So after that, you should go finish your program now.
No, look at action. Because you're already extra.
Yeah.
Please, let's start from T-Hop.
Standing by.
Please, everybody should stay one place before I verse. I know they like that.
Still rolling.
Delete this one.